Welcome back to the Quiz University, reminding you that knowledge is power. Can you pass this physical science test challenge? Let's find out. Let's start easy. What particles make up the nucleus? Piece of cake. When is an atom considered radioactive? A 100%. Which radiation particle is equivalent to a helium nucleus? Cool. What happens to the atomic number during alpha decay? Wow. Which nuclear reaction commonly occurs in stars? Good choice. What is the first element synthesized seconds after the Big Bang? Brilliant. Which elements were mainly produced during Big Bang nucleosynthesis? Bingo! What happens to atomic number during beta decay? That's right. Which radiation has the greatest penetrating power? Exactly. Which radiation can be stopped by paper? Too easy. What type of decay emits an electron? Not quite. Which scientist started the term radioactivity? Like a boss. Which particle has no charge? Too good. Which atomic property equals the number of protons? Easy peasy. What is nuclear fission? Effortless. Which best describes nucleosynthesis? No sweat. What isotope of hydrogen formed first after the Big Bang? That was a snap. Which stellar event produces super-heavy elements? Fascinating. What is a nebula? That's a good one. Which process explains element formation seconds after the Big Bang? Well done. Which reaction shows fusion? Piece of cake. What does transuranium element mean? A 100%. Which scientist arranged elements by atomic number? Cool. Why are super-heavy elements difficult to study? Wow. Which organization names newly discovered elements? Good choice. Which particle has the highest speed? Brilliant. Which radiation has the least ionizing power? Bingo! What happens to mass number in beta decay? That's right. Who proposed the first modern atomic theory? Exactly. Who discovered the electron? Too easy. Who proposed that electrons move in fixed energy levels? Not quite. What happens when an electron jumps to a higher energy level? Like a boss. Which model treats electrons as waves and particles? Too good. Which atomic model came immediately after Thomson? Easy peasy. Why was Thomson's model called the plum pudding model? Effortless. Which scientist discovered the neutron? No sweat. What determines an element's identity? That was a snap. Which term refers to atoms of the same element with different masses? Fascinating. Why did Mendeleev leave gaps in his table? That's a good one. What particle is distributed in an electronic configuration? Well done. A valence electron is found in the which shell? Not quite. How many valence electrons are present in this configuration? Like a boss. Which pair of elements forms an ionic bond? Too good. Why do atoms form chemical bonds? Easy peasy. Which rule explains why atoms tend to have 8 valence electrons? Effortless. Which structure uses dots to represent valence electrons? No sweat. What type of bond exists in NaCl? That was a snap. Which covalent bond involves equal sharing of electrons? Fascinating. Hydrogen gas is an example of a What molecule? That's a good one. What does electronegativity measure? Well done. But wait, there's more. Choose your next quiz challenge portal and make sure to hit subscribe and comment your score.